In this video, you'll learn how to add your LinkedIn profile link to a resume using Canva. First, go to the Templates section and use the search bar to find a resume template you like. Next, select your preferred resume design and click Customize this template to begin editing. Now, click the website section on your resume and get ready to replace the placeholder link with your LinkedIn URL. Switch to LinkedIn and close any unnecessary tabs to focus on your profile. Then, navigate to your profile by opening the menu and locating your profile link. Copy your public LinkedIn URL to use in your resume. Back in Canva, paste your LinkedIn link into the website section. Double-check that it appears correctly on your document. Finally, our LinkedIn link has been updated in the resume. You've now added your LinkedIn link to your Canva resume.